Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram verification code not received problem solved. To know how to fix Instagram verification code not received problem solved, you should just go here to settings. As you see, we will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, and as you see here, and we will click like this. Then here in this page you will go down to Instagram, as you see here, and when you will find this page you will go click here in force stop like this. When you will click here you will go to click here storage, as you see, and then here in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data. So then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.